Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. I have found the most beautiful wildflowers for your iPhone 13 Pro Max. This transparent protective bumper case is so beautiful. It takes flowers to a whole nother level and lets you display them on the back of your phone. Being transparent, you can add any color phone and it will give you a great effect. This is such a beautiful case, but it's also very protective of your phone. As you can see, the raised part around the lens will really protect your phone and make sure you have a great, safe experience while filming your favorite things. So protect your phone with beauty. You can have roses, hibiscus, wildflowers of all types. You will love this for your phone case. It will protect and make you feel like you're walking in the park. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.